Are you disappointed in the English courses? Had a lot of negative experience at schools and now think that English is not your thing and that you will never master it? What you want is not to study grammar rules, but to have high quality, very intensive speaking practice of a live real English and to have as much practice as possible. In this case, Logos was created just for you. Logos is a very powerful, super intensive course of spoken English, completely made in the form of cartoons. It was specifically designed for people who hate learning grammar rules, tables, charts, and other boring drill. It's by far the best course for those who want to learn to speak English fluently by practicing the speaking skill. How does it work? From the first lesson, you will get into the English speaking environment. You'll be watching cartoons with thousands of funny and easy to remember mini dialogues. But you won't only be watching and listening, you'll be taking part in those dialogues. You'll be learning to express your opinion, ask and answer questions, and speculate on different topics. You'll be saying over 2,000 words each lesson. In total, during the course, you will have said more than 120,000 words. With so much speaking practice, you just can't not start speaking English. Now, what will you get when you purchase this course? More than 60 hours of intensive listening and speaking practice. You will learn over 1,500 most important words and phrases, which will help you out in any situation. Well, almost any. You will master the most important grammar principles. And don't worry, all grammar is explained in an extremely simple and understandable manner. Moreover, it is translated into your native language, so you will never feel confused. And of course, there will be milestone tests, so you can track your progress. What skills will you have after you take this course? You will be able to watch your favorite movies and TV series in the original language. You will learn to think in English and to create thoughts in your head in English without translating them from your native language. You'll be able to travel to any country in the world and to communicate with people without a language barrier. This course is a perfect place to start if you plan to prepare for TOEFL, IELTS, and GMAT exams in the future, and enter your dream college anywhere in the world. You can start looking for new job opportunities in any country of the world. And that's just a fraction of possibilities that you will get after you go through Logos course. And that's why it makes perfect sense to buy Logos right now while the price is so low. In the nearest future, the price will rise significantly, and you'll regret it for the rest of your life. Don't hesitate! Buy this course and start changing your life right now.